feel weird? Or is it okay? The little bridge is coming up here.
Hey, I see something way back here. What is it?
Where?
Way back here.
I don't see anything, but there's a lot of animals out here. Push on the gas a little bit, just so you'll feel it. You don't have to put your foot on the brake too. Move the little foot off the brake. You only, no, put one foot out there. Don't use 2 feet. Okay? Braxton, put that foot down away from the brake. Your left foot. Now put your right foot back up and put it on the gas. Only use your right foot for the brakes and the gas, okay? Hit the gas a little bit. It's okay, don't worry about it. Just hit it a little bit. And now with that right foot, I want you to hit the brake, not your left foot. Go ahead and hit the brake. I want you to try it. There you go. That's how you do it, okay? And now you put the right foot. You don't use your left foot for the brake, okay? You only use that one foot. You're doing great. The air conditioning doesn't work, does it? I don't know what the deal is. No, it probably needs Freon. We don't ever use this. I guess we should roll down the window. The air is not working. Okay, get the T coming up, so you're going to have to turn left. You can do it.
Mama, can you do me a favor?
What, baby?
Turn the air conditioner off. It's getting in my eyes and making me where I have to blink because all the air.
There you go. It's okay, you got it. I trust you. You didn't have to push the gas. You're going to have to trust it. There you go. Good job. Yay, Braxton. 7 years old, driving a truck.
They thought it couldn't be done.
Alright, stop here because we got to unlock the gate. Good job,
I'm going to go a
Brax.
little closer.